What's up, YouTube? What's up, family and friends? We just want to give a highlight on, we had to replace our Cuddy doors on our boat. Those doors had been there originally, I guess, since the boat was made. Maybe they have been changed over the years. But we saw where it was rotten and we needed to change them out. So we went ahead and changed them out with a good type of wood. So if you're having this issue with your Cuddys, this may give you some ideas on how to replace your doors and the process that we took. Check it out to the end. Might be helpful to you. Give me a comment if you think I should have did something different, or if you like the way I did it. Hey, we can handle it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. All those overseas that support my channel, we appreciate you guys. Down in South America, over in Middle East, we appreciate you checking on my channel. Hope it's been helpful to you and continue to be helpful to you. Captain Fox, number love. Peace. Oh wow, my Cuddy doors are rotten. These are the original doors, appear to be. Man, I got to replace these. Maybe I could save some of it. This is the vent was in the door with the screen, keep bugs out. Maybe I could save that. Let's see. Oh no, that don't look too good. Oh man, I'm gonna have to buy new screen, vent, and new wood for the doors. This time I'll get all weather treated lumber. But this marine grade lumber, as you can see, originally it was stained. I know I painted at least 2 times, if not 3, since I had the boat. And it was painted when I got the boat, but I can see underneath it was originally like a teak wood type of varnish. But now I got new all-weather board, cut it out perfectly to the original doors that was on there. And what I'm going to do is paint it several times and replace it. I got the order, which is on order, a new vent for the door so the Cuddy could breathe. So that's being ordered through Amazon. So if you're buying anything through Amazon, go through my channel, list below, just click on something from Amazon and help out my channel. I might give you a discount. Yep. But notice how I'm painting this. Some people just paint back and forth all the time. And they put the paint on and they take the paint off. Many, many years ago, refurbishing houses, flipping houses, a professional painter taught me to put the paint on going back into the paint. And that way you're not taking the paint that you put on off. So sometimes it's hard to keep concentrated doing that. But I try to remind myself to just back into it and where you left off and then pick the brush up. Don't keep going all the way down the whole board or the wall where you've been painting or the object you've been painting. Yup. See. I'm about to do it. Had to stop myself. But you notice I'm painting back toward where the paint stopped. And that way I'm getting a good thick coat that's going to soak down in the wood grain. And before I put the second coat on, I'm going to wait 24 hours, maybe 48 hours. Might wait 2 days, 48 hours be good. And let it just soak down into the grain and get hard. And then put a second coat on. And let that soak about 2 days. Got to be patient. You want to do it right. And then maybe put a third coat on it. And that should hold it for a few years. No doubt. Yeah, man. Thank you guys. Hope this been helpful to you. Yep, we replaced the new doors to the Cuddy. We didn't put the extra trim on in the middle to hide the screw holes until it warm up. It's too cold today to paint the trim. But you can see how great it looked. The new vent, I'm pointing to it, came and we installed that. That works beautifully. Built-in screen and everything. We even put a lock on this time to lock the Cuddy. If we're away at a dock and exploring the land, we can lock the Cuddy with our valuables in it. As you see, the radio, FM, AM, play USB, everything. It does everything. That's a nice radio. Okay, so we thank you guys for watching. Hope this has been helpful to you. And hit that like button. Peace.